So hopefully, yep, there we go. So now we're recording.
Okay.
Did you guys?
Nice things.
Yeah. Did you guys see the response from our instructor that we did a well done meeting last time?
No, I didn't see that. I'm glad you thought so.
Yep, he said we did a well done meeting. So
Good.
yeah.
Yeah, we did well.
Yeah, we did well.
I feel like this is a good little group. We're gonna do good this semester, guys.
Oh,
We might drown, but we'll drown together.
Okay, alrighty, you know.
That's good.
So if you guys,
Hey, I'd rather drown with other people than by myself.
right? So has anybody
Right.
done the homework? Does that all make sense? That you get the assignment, but then you get the answer key too?
Yeah, that's what he seems to do. I guess it's more like what I'm looking at it as is if we were sitting in a classroom and he was doing like a PowerPoint presentation and had sample problems throughout the presentation.
Okay.
I think that's what the first homework assignment is basically like the in-class problems we would do if we were sitting in a classroom.
Okay, that's why he's given the answer. Because I'm like, okay, here's the homework, but then you're giving me the answer key. Why?
Yeah, so we don't actually turn in the homework. We just are kind of, it's for your own good kind of thing.
Okay, and then the quiz just kind of goes over what the homework goes over.
And then there's the second homework assignment per section, so 2 of those a week. That's like quiz format in iLearn, and that one is a grade.
Okay. I'm gonna die.
I know.
We'll
It's a
die
lot.
together.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's see the least.
Yeah. I just got out of 2 other class meetings. I had one at 6, one at 7, and then this one at 8.
Oh my gosh.
So, but okay. Otherwise, everybody doing good?
Yes.
Not dead yet.
Yeah.
You like making jokes, don't you?
No, this is just how I refer to life.
Okay.
It's as serious as I get. Take it for what it is.
And Gober, how you doing down there in Ecuador? You doing okay?
Yeah, so it's very hot. A very hot day was today. So
Oh, really?
it's still now very, very, very hot.
Oh.
Even though it's raining, but besides raining, the sun is, I don't know how to describe that in English, but it's they very, very hot, very, I don't know.
Humid?
What is the effect?
Humid?
Yeah, humid. Yeah, that's the effect.
So what's your temperature? About 80, 90 degrees down there right now?
Well, here Celsius, not Fahrenheit. Celsius is here. Today was more or less 37. Let me see how much.
Well, if you're
is
37, you're almost like 98 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yeah. That's hot.
Oh.
That's hot. Plus, you got all the humidity on top of that.
Yeah, so I don't know what's the worst. It is the hot day or the humidity. So I don't know what's the worst.
Humidity.
Ugh.
I
and
grew up in Texas, and it's really humid there, like really humid.
Yeah.
So I understand your pain.
Okay.
and you're close to the equator too, so it makes it even worse.
Oh, I bet it does. I hadn't thought about that.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
closer to the sun than we are, but
Yeah, exactly.
yeah. Okay.
Uh,
Alrighty. Let's see. It's the 4 of us. I haven't seen Brett, and I haven't seen who else.
I think Brett is
Isn't it like-
trying to get on.
Okay. Is it just 5 of us?
no,
I thought
there's
there was
there's
6.
the Ginger. He's Ginger. I can't think of his name.
Ginger.
Yeah, he was Ginger. I'm sorry, I noticed this. My husband's a Ginger, so I always notice other Gingers.
Are you talking about a redhead? Is that what you mean? by
Yeah.
ginger?
Yeah. The other
Well-
guy, he's got a beard and red hair.
Oh yeah.
I can't
That
think
would
of
be
his name, but
Andrew Campbell.
yes. There you go. I'm not crazy. I just sounded.
So when I had hair,
No.
My hair was ginger. I was a redhead.
Oh, were you?
Yeah, I'm bald.
Ah,
Speaking of the devil, there's Andrew.
Sorry, I was trying to do it on my computer and it was not cooperating.
Hey,
That's
no,
all right.
no
We forgive
worries,
ya.
man. As long as you got the invite and you're here, that's good.
Yep.
That's good. Okay. Any other questions or things that we need to go over before we move forward?
no.
Is the whoa?
Oh, whoa.
Sorry.
Oh, that hurt.
Yeah, it did.
That was weird.
No,
Ashley or Alicia talked. Was it Alicia? Yeah, Alicia talked about times. Are our Mondays and Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Pacific good for everybody?
I'm good with it.
Okay. Okay. And Gober, are you down there in Ecuador? You're good with this time as well, correct?
Yeah, this is perfect. This is
Okay.
perfect for me.
The only reason why I ask is I don't know if you saw the little note from the instructor. He was just making sure to confirm all the times. So anyway.
I mean, I know this assignment isn't due until like Friday of every week, is I think the second assignment. So
Actually,
if we wanted
it's due Saturday.
Saturday, better yet. So my personal opinion is if we wanted to do the same time, but a different day for a second week meeting to give us more time to read the chapter and digest and have a life and all those good things,
Okay.
I would be fine with any other day of the week. Wednesday included, this works fine. But if we wanted to give ourselves more times between meetings instead of meeting, break, meeting, where we're
Okay.
like speaking through the week, that could be beneficial for us.
So maybe we have our Monday meetings at 8 Pacific time, and then from Monday we can plan out the week. Is that what you're saying?
I'm thinking we should do it like set in stone. So maybe do like Monday at 8 and then do every Thursday or Friday at 8 instead of Wednesday. That way we just have a couple extra days to read through the chapter, do the homework, all that stuff before we have to meet as a group again.
Well, how many classes do you guys have that are live that you have to meet on?
I've got another one that meets on Friday.
Okay.
And
So far, this is
sometimes-
the only one.
Sometimes Tuesdays.
Okay. And
I
see,
have one more. But we don't set groups yet, so
okay.
I don't know when I'm going to meet with others.
See, I'm that way too. We're waiting to get our assignment too. So I couldn't confirm my second time until I get that group time.
Gotcha.
So
Yeah, so we can plan on keep doing this, and then when we meet next Monday, maybe we can see where everybody's at.
okay.
I think that could work. And if we want to keep it on Wednesdays, that's fine. I'm just thinking, I know for myself, it would be beneficial to have an extra day to read the chapter. And I can't imagine I'm the only one that has a life
Okay.
outside of school
No.
with
Yeah.
that issue.
I'm open to it as well, as long
Okay.
as it's
So
not
so then let's do that. Let's get through the second week, and then on Monday, this coming Monday evening, we'll just kind of discuss our second floater, and then, like you said, we could rotate it. Friday here, or Thursday there, or Wednesday there. So,
Oh.
but
I think that could be good.
but let's keep it the same time though. Let's keep it at 8 p.m. Pacific.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Super.
8 p.m. is kind of a must, at least on my end. I can't
Okay.
do any different time,
Yeah.
but days are flexible.
Okay. So our next meeting is definitely going to be Monday, the 22nd at 8 p.m. Pacific time. So.
Yes.
Okay.
That
Okay,
sounds
so
great.
we got that. All right,
Yeah.
let's pull up iLearn and let's see what we need to do.
Do you guys want me to share my screen again?
Excuse me.
If you'd like, that'd be great.
I'm more than willing to. It doesn't
Okay.
matter on my end.
And then if you guys are okay, do you want me to go and send out all the invites and then I'll upload it to iLearn? Are you guys okay with that, or do you guys want to rotate that?
I would rather just put one person in charge. So if you're willing to be that person, that's fantastic. Have at it.
I
Yeah,
am
I'm fine with that.
okay. Anna, you okay with that? I think we lost Anna. She turned her mic off.
No, sorry, I was busy coughing. want
Okay.
you guys to listen to that. Yeah, I'm
That-
totally fine with it. Thank
Okay.
you.
Gobler, you okay with that as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
Me too.
All right, so that's what we'll do. And what I'll do is I'll try to get the invites out at like 7:55, 8 o'clock, and have them by 8:05, so that we're right there at that time frame. So,
Okay.
and then I've got everybody's phone number, so I'll just say, okay, invites are out if you haven't seen it yet. So,
Yeah, that's awesome.
Perfect. That sounds
all
fantastic.
right.
Thank
Perfect.
you.
Oh, you're welcome. Okay, so. Okay, Alicia, if you want to pull up your screen, then we'll.
Is it not showing? It should.
Hold on. I'm gonna find a way we can keep it up.
Okay, I see it. I got you. I've got it on mine. You have to, if you guys don't have it on your screen, you have to click her. You got to click her
Yeah.
video.
We'll stay on her.
Yeah, you got to click on her, and then it should pop up. And so you're at lesson 3, group meeting quiz.
Yep, that's where we're at.
We're really already on lesson 3.
Yeah, there's 2 lessons
Yeah.
per week.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's insanity.
Yes.
All right. So we open that up.
Quiz. I'm gonna pull it up at the same time.
Okay, we got 16 questions today, guys.
Okay, so we've completed the prep.
There's a file of data it's saying we'll need. I'm gonna go ahead and download that and pull it up.
Okay,
When?
perfect.
Ew. Okay. Oh, we'll just minimize that for now and I'll pull it up when we need it. Okay. Does someone want to read questions aloud so we can all stay together?
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay. You want me to just start with question 1? Or like go to number 3?
Yeah, number
Let's go
3. The first
3.
2 are just both true if you're in the meeting, so we're good.
Do you want me to go through the info or just read the question?
Go ahead and do the info. It says the following information is to answer the next 3 questions. So go ahead and read that and then we'll go to the questions.
Okay. You'll need this data file while calculating. Remember to round to 3 decimal places unless otherwise specified. Do not round until your calculation is done. On rare occasions, a medical procedure is performed on the wrong part of the patient's body or on the wrong patient. These are called wrong site and wrong patient mistakes. Such errors occur hundreds of times each year across the U.S. The medical community is trying to eliminate these errors, but have had difficulty reducing their frequency. In a small percentage of these cases, the patient files a lawsuit against the hospital. Phil Stahel conducted a study on these mistakes and lawsuits that follow. The data in file wrong site, wrong patient represents the amount in US dollars hospitals have been required to pay in wrong site and wrong patient lawsuits. Some of the values equals 0, indicating the hospital won the legal battle. Question 3. Oh, sorry. Question 3. Find the mean amount hospitals had to pay in wrong site lawsuits. Round your answer to the nearest whole dollar.
Okay.
So we've got to open up that wrong site patient, XLSX. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
funny
so
how
all
they'll,
of this
like,
data.
someone's getting a knee replacement and they'll like with Sharpie X out the other leg.
Oh,
It's like not this one.
that would suck. Oh, excuse my French.
But yeah, it's just like that's crazy that actually happens. Sorry, go ahead.
Does anyone remember how to find a mean on Excel?
How to find
Yeah.
what?
Average.
There's a formula for it. Oh gosh. Hold on.
Wrong site lawsuits. I think it's pretty sure it's just average. AVG. Start spelling out average.
No.
Average.
So if you do average.
Okay, and then round 2, it said what, 3 decimal places?
But only for wrong sites.
Yeah,
Oh, only for wrong sites?
just for
Yeah.
wrong site right now.
Okay, was that column A or B?
Let's call
The
them
column A.
Column A.
Column A.
Okay.
So I got, I'm gonna throw a comma in there, $80,041.24.3.
I got
Wait, what is it
24
again?
even.
Cents.
That's what I'm getting.
Did you round it to 3 decimal places?
Let's see.
I did is I have average of A2 through A412.
Holy
Yes.
cow.
Yeah, it's a lot of stinking numbers.
Yes.
And that has given me 80,041.243.
2 for 3. Yeah.
Round
2.
So how much of that number do we need to put in there?
Keep the
All
whole
of
thing
it
in.
up until the 3rd
Okay.
decimal point.
But the answer says to the nearest whole dollar, so we just got to get rid of the decimal points, the cents.
Oh, to the nearest whole dollar. Okay.
So then it would be 80041.
Yep, 80,041.
Okay, and then Andrew, the way you did that is you just highlighted A2 and then you just brought it all the way down to 400 and you hit the average and bam, there it was, correct?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
I actually did equals average first and then selected it, but same thing.
Okay, equal. Oh, I see. That's what you were. Okay, there we go. Equal average. Okay.
And then you do in parentheses.
So it only
A2
does those group. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, and then
So the median we
Okay.
have to do the same thing.
median of the same set of numbers. Wrong site lawsuits. This one, it does not say round to the nearest whole dollar, but it's in whole dollars. Yeah. So I got 68,552.
52.
Yeah.
So that was 68,550.
52.
And then there, I'm sorry, Andy, to keep asking this, but there you just did the equals and the median within that same A through 400 something. And so now that's where we get the other number, correct?
Yes, sir.
I need to learn Excel.
Yeah.
Have you not taken your Excel class yet?
No, I haven't. I waited till the very end. That's my
You should
last.
drop this course and go do Excel. I have a feeling Excel is going to be very handy with this class.
Well, you know, 2 years ago, it used to be a combined class, the math and the Excel, but then they broke it up.
Really?
Yeah.
That's weird.
Oh.
Okay. So 68552.
And then for standard deviation, which do they want us to use, like StanDev
Yeah.
P, just normal StanDev?
You know what? I don't know why, but I always remembered we use standard dev.s, but I can't remember why for the life
Yeah,
of me.
we always use standard dev.s. I don't remember why, but I know that's what we always use.
Okay.
But
Are you
let's see
sure?
what the difference is.
Yeah, I'm going to try and do each of them and see if there's even a difference.
I'm doing the standard one. No, that
Yeah, the 3
you sure?
decimal points, it's the same.
It's the same number,
First,
but stan.p.
because I have a Mac, so it's like compatibility functions. There's stdev and stdev.p.
Yeah. You know what? But when you do the st.p, that one actually, it's like almost $100 less.
Oh.
So it's like 71,316.
Well, shoot, which one are we supposed to use, you think?
I would assume the .s since that's the one we focused on in the Excel class. But that's a shot in the dark assumption.
Did it say in the reading or anything anywhere?
In Excel, let's see what it says about stdev.p.
Oop, didn't want that.
Oh wait, okay, so this is what it says. Standard dev p calculates standard deviation using the n method, ignoring logical values in text.
So,
It assumes your data is the entire population when your data set is a sample. Only calculate standard deviation using the stdev function.
is that, you're reading that in Excel or like on our class material?
I'm looking at it online right now, the difference between the two. So the stdev p.
Did it say anything like in the individual prep?
I can't remember what it says in prep.
Let's look at lesson 3, maybe of the textbook.
It doesn't specify in the textbook.
Oh, well, that's helpful, isn't it?
So if we're doing the population, the stdev p would be a good one. Population. But if we're doing, oh, that's why, you remember in our Excel class, that's why we used the .s was because it was the sample.
Okay. That's a sample P's population.
Yeah.
Okay. Then
We would want to use .s.
hospitals. Well, because it doesn't seem like it's a smaller number. This seems like it's everything.
Yeah. Because if it's everything, then we want to do the population. Well, let me just look through the material. Oh, no.
Yeah, it represents the amount hospitals have been required to pay. So it's not saying it's like a sample of hospitals. So we go with stdev.p.
I don't even know.
I wish it would tell us.
Maybe we can do that and then like contest our reasoning if need be.
We do get 2 chances at this quiz if that counts for anything.
Oh, that's true.
Okay.
So, worst case scenario, we go back and swap our answers
true.
for this.
There you go.
At least we'll know what's wrong, right?
Okay, so then
Are we supposed to round that? So is that 71317?
Yeah.
nearest whole dollar. Yep. So for this quiz, let's go with stdev.p. We'll try that first.
Okay.
Someone.
We'll see how it goes.
71317. Okay.
Yep. Use the following info to answer the next 5 questions. Hepatic angiosarcoma, wow, I got that right, is a rare and usually fatal type of liver cancer. A study was conducted on 4 individuals with this illness. The data represent their survival times in months. Survival times, blah, blah, blah. What is the mean survival time in months for these 4 patients? And let's throw this in. 5, 19, 1.
Now- So now we're going to add those and then divide it by 4, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would say just do the average function in Like longhand, yes, but I just say do the average function in
Okay.
Excel. And I got 7.
And I did it by hand and got 7, so we're good either way.
Nice.
Okay.
And it was given to us in months.
7.
We're answering in months. No need to add decimal points. Cool. All right. So number 6 is 7. 7. What is the median survival time in months?
Oops. Oh, this is so tricky.
Median. 2 seconds. I got
So
4.
so Andrew, what's the code for medium? It's equals MEV. Is that correct?
MEDIAN. For me, if I start typing it, it'll like auto pop up.
Okay. Okay. So anytime I use the Excel and it's asking for like the medium or that, I just go equals and just type that in, and then it's going to give me what I need to use.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should
Yes.
As long as you're headed in the right direction as you type into Scale, it'll autofill
Okay.
options, and then
Okay.
you can select from there.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
All right. So then number 7, everybody get 4.
Yes.
Information. If you were to compute the variance by hand, the following table could be used. Use this table to answer the next 3 questions. Column 1, column 2, column 3, observed data, deviations from the mean, squared deviations from the mean. Same set of numbers. Cool. Give the number that would be entered into the space labeled A in the table above. So, how many deviations from the mean for 19?
So wait, deviation. Let's see.
So that's not,
For 19.
yeah.
Wait. What are we looking for?
Because on that column, it's asking for A, not in the column, sorry, the table. It's
Oh.
asking for A, which is the deviations from the mean for 19.
11.
19.
So that would be X minus X.
11.
So
19 minus 7. Oh,
Yeah.
12. Sorry, 12. 12.
Yeah, I think you're right. 12.
yeah, you're right.
12. We're in agreement on 12.
Sweet.
And the other one
So
is
squared
So
deviation.
label B. Okay, so first we got to figure out column A. So it would be -6, right?
For 1.
And then we would need
36.
square root.
So squared deviations from the mean.
-6 squared is 36.
36.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Now look. Not right.
You following, Clay?
Yeah, I am. It's taking me a minute, but I'm getting it.
Tracking. No worries.
If we need to slow down, just let us know. No big deal.
No, you're doing just fine.
Were you double checking something, Anna?
Yeah.
Are we good, or did you find a mistake?
Go back to number 9 again.
Number 9. Give the number that would be entered into the space labeled B in the table above. B is squared deviations from the mean for 1. So what Alicia was saying is so if we got 1 minus 7, the mean, we get -6.
-6.
Squared.
36.
36.
36.
Okay.
Cool.
Awesome. Thank
So
you.
we're all good. Number 9 is 36.
Yep.
All right.
I think we're
10.
good.
What is the standard deviation of the survival times? Give your answer in months rounded to the nearest tenth.
Ugh.
So this would be stdev.p again because it's not a sample apparently.
Okay.
Study was conducted on 4 individuals. Well, I don't know because it's 4 individuals that have the illness, not everybody with the illness.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
would say it's sample.
Let's do
Okay.
sample.
Let's go with that. dot stdev dot s for them suckers. 8.165.
So 8.2
Oh yeah, because it's
because we're only doing
nearest 10th. Yeah, 8.2.
Okay.
Cool.
okay.
Everybody good?
Yep.
All right. For the next 3 questions, give the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit costs. 11. What is the first number in the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit data? Give a number rounded to the nearest cent.
So wait, what is it asking?
5-number summary.
Give a number round to the nearest cent.
Well, these are 5 numbers.
Well, so another way to summarize the data, I'm just pulling from the reading, is a 5-number summary. It's comprised of the minimum, first quartile,
The first
second quartile or median,
Oh,
third
yeah.
quartile, and
And maximum.
values are always presented in this order. Since it's fixed, it doesn't need to be labeled. There are different ways to define certain quartiles.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this part of the text really confused me. I'm not gonna lie.
Mhm.
Wait.
Copy
Oh
and
gosh, this
paste.
is the desired into a column.
So the first number is the maximum,
First number is minimum.
minimum, so it's
Then-
0.
Then the first
Yeah.
quartile, second quartile or median, third quartile, and the max.
Okay, so what's the second quartile?
Second quartile is the median, which we already calculated, which is 4.
Is that 4?
Wait,
Okay.
hold on.
Lost
Nope,
you.
sorry. That was for the other thing. The median is
Because we're
68,552.
wait a minute.
Let's do. I'm gonna find what the max is. This is a wrong site, correct?
Wrong patient,
Wrong patient.
which means that's not right.
Crap.
We gotta resolve all these.
Start all over. All right.
what happened?
They want wrong patient, not wrong site.
All right. So we got min. We
And then we
got
got max.
so here. Then we got min. And we got first quartile. And we got min. And we got third quartile. And we got the max. So minimum
Yeah, I
is
got the max.
okay. You got the max.
Yep, just found the max. Min's gonna be 0 again.
Yep.
What else did we need?
For the max, do you have 1,250,000?
Yep.
Hold on, let me find it.
Right. Then the median. Median, I got 18,882.
Yep.
Okay, so we don't have to do everything right now. The first number is going to be 0. So 11 is 0. Right?
Yep.
Then we
Yeah.
got 12, the second number, which is going to be the first quartile. Does anybody have that already?
What was the first quartile again? Median?
No,
First
median's the
quartile.
second quartile. First quartile or 25th percentile. Anybody have that yet?
I'm trying to find where the quartiles are listed so I can find things better.
Let's see. Second quartile, third quartile. Second one is the median, but the third one is Kelly. The third
Okay,
quartile.
second
I
quartile.
can't find.
3900s.
Is
The
it
second quartile.
For the second quartile,
anybody?
that's the same as the median. And let me double check.
Sorry, the first quartile.
Oh, first quartile.
Yeah, 3900s.
I don't have that just yet, so I will say you are probably right.
What did you say it was again?
The second quartile. 3900s.
3,900.
For the first quartile, sorry. 900. That's my. So I don't know if I'm wrong because my formulas are in Spanish. So I have to. I have to remember the formulas in Spanish, even though I'm studying in English. So it's,
Right.
Yeah.
it's a little bit hard.
Oh, that's cool.
But let me check. Oh, that's the number that I get. 3,900 for the first quartile, and the third quartile is 145.50. Oh yeah, but with decimal. No.
Why is it listed like?
Okay, so how did you figure out the third quartile? Because it doesn't give much information about how we can solve for the third one.
In Spanish, I'm only write quartile,
Yeah.
and the matrix and the number that of the quartile that I need to find.
Okay.
Quantitative, descriptive, statistics.
Let me check the other formulas in English. Wait a second.
So wait, have we found the second number yet?
He found it, and I'm trying to double check it.
Okay. Sorry, I got lost for a second there reading through some textbook stuff.
Okay. So basically, what they're having us do is like copy and paste it and like solve for it. Yeah. So basically, in the individual prep assignment, there's that template, and then you just copy and paste into that. And it just gives you everything. And then instead of, yeah, so for the first quartile, I'm showing 3,900 as well.
That's question 12 then, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the second number in the 5-number summary? Because number 2 is going to have to be the first quartile. And then median, when I calculated it, I got 18,882.
And that's the fourth number, right?
Yep, that should be the fourth number. Double check here.
And that's
No.
all I asked for.
Well, because the fourth number, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth number is going to be the third quartile. Because first is the minimum, second is the first quartile, third is the second quartile or median, fourth is the third quartile.
Oh my goodness, not confusing at all.
Yep. So fourth would actually be, I got 50,145.
Yeah.
Okay. What is it? 0.5.
45.
So 50, 145.5.
Yeah. 145.5. 145.
But it
And,
says round to the nearest cent. So yeah.
yeah.
Well, because it's 50. Because cent, yeah, 50 cents. So it'd have to be 50.
So you got to add the 0.
Yeah.
So 50145 decimal 50.
There you go. And last one. Let me just make sure the last rounded to the nearest cent. Let me add some decimals. Yeah. Then for question 12, it's 3900.00. Let's do that. And then for number 1, let's do not number 1, excuse me, number 11. Let's do 0.00 as well.
So you got to go 0.00.
Since it's asking for the nearest cent.
Oh, that's right. And you gotta show that.
Yeah.
Do you have to go 0.00? Can you go 0.00?
Yeah, that's what I did. That's usually
Okay.
what you gotta do.
So
11
0.00.
Yep. And then 12 is 3,900.00.
Okay.
And then 13 is 50,145.50.
Copy that. Got it. Yep.
Perfect.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Well, that was fun. All right.
Yeah.
Information. Redbox is an increasingly popular way to rent movies in the U.S. Individuals can go to a Redbox kiosk. Do you got Redbox in Guatemala?
I think he's in Ecuador.
Ecuador? Sorry.
No?
Guatemala?
No. No, we don't have it.
No, no tiene.
Wow.
Do you
I'll
know
send
what
him.
Redbox is?
I don't know what is that. Redbox?
So it's
It's
Blockbuster in a vending machine.
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah, like a blockbuster. Okay.
Yep.
Yes, but it's in
just
a vending machine kind of thing.
It's kind
Okay.
of cool. So, individuals can go to Redbox kiosk and have a wide variety of movies to choose from. A study was done in which researchers observed the duration of time in seconds individuals spent making a decision on which movie to rent at Redbox. I'd be interested to know the division by gender. Answer the next 3 questions based on the following box plot. Decision time. Man, some people took up to like 700 seconds. That's too long.
Wow.
All right. Question 14. What is the third quartile of the Redbox decision times? Give an estimated number.
Oh
So,
my gosh.
if I'm reading this stupid box plot right, the third quartile is going to be the top of the box. And that looks like 175,
100.
180,
190?
190
About
maybe?
180, 190.
Yeah, more or less.
What do you think, Clay?
I think you're right about 190. It
Go with
looks like it's in
190 then?
tens.
So 190. Well, because the middle isn't right on 100, so that would be like 110. So what do you think, 190 or 180? I'm leaning towards 180.
Let's go 180 because it's not up just below that line.
Next to it.
Yeah.
So 180.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what is the longest observed time of the Redbox customers? Give an estimated number. It's like
705, 710,
Yeah, 710, 720.
I'm leaning towards 720.
Jesus.
720.
Yeah.
All right, 720 it is.
There better be a range on these. If they're expecting an
Yeah.
exact answer, we're screwed.
That's why it's saying like give an estimated number. So
Yeah, but I don't trust iLearn to have estimates.
ooh, but
I-
apparently the middle right now
I saw that.
105.
I saw that. Yeah.
Tricksters.
So
So maybe. Well, I don't
It
know.
is
It's-
105.
I still
You,
feel like
you want to go 185 or 175?
I think we should be fine because I mean they got to give us some wiggle room on it,
Yeah.
right?
You want to go 185?
I think we should go 185.
Yeah.
185 it is.
All right, 185. We're
185.
gonna sink and swim
That's
as
my
a
very
team.
educated guess. Not
So
really.
185. And then are we still good with 720 or do we want to go 715, 710,
720.
720,
Keeping it.
15? You want to go 15?
Let's go
We
15.
can go 15.
Yeah, let's go.
Maybe we should go
Let's do 15.
18.
Okay.
Okay,
No,
15.
I like 15.
14, we got 185.
Or
15, we got 715.
how about 713.5?
Oh gosh. 15, we got 105. And I think
Why do I feel like we're in Price's Right right now? Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, okay, so we're gonna pick 105 for the pop box.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Has to be.
Yeah, let's do that.
All right.
Okay. You want to
So-
see how we did, guys?
Yeah.
Okay,
Save
submit.
Do
responses.
it.
Submit
Cross
quiz.
the fingers. Oh,
Sisquaff.
Oh, number 5.
What? How did we do? How did we do?
The hell?
Oh,
And 16? What? Come on.
we
What?
did. We got 16 out of 18, but oh,
Okay, so number 5 was wrong. That was
So we
picking
need
the
to do-
right standard deviation, so that kind of makes sense. But then how in the heck do we get 16 wrong?
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense.
Maybe it should have
Maybe
been
they're
this
wanting
cannot be
that
determined.
bottom number.
Wait, hold up. Value of the mean. Oh, shoot. Yeah, the middle's the
No.
median, not the mean. Tricky, tricky.
so we should have gone with the.
Cannot be determined.
Oh, come on. Really?
So,
Yeah, that.
yeah, because it's not mean on a box plot, it's median.
What's
Those
can't be
thinkers.
determined.
Yeah, it can't be determined.
Shall we do
Okay.
take 2, guys?
But
Let's take 2.
we got to figure out which standard deviation to use because that's the one we got wrong.
We did the ST with the ST sample.
Is
That's the
it?
one. That was the 70. We should have gone with the 71403.
Because it's lesson 3 group meeting quiz, right? That we just did.
Yes.
Let me go back and look. Double check. So question 5, standard deviation, round to the nearest whole dollar. You know what? Standard P.
Because we did the standdev.p, which I think we should just stick with the stdevs with just the
Okay. Let me see.
Okay.
Yeah, it is a different number. It's a good size difference. So yeah, maybe that's the one to go with. Yeah, because then if you just do sdev, that's the same.
Mhm.
Or standdev. Standdev p. And that's the same as that. Let's try PA just for kicks. I'm just going through all of them. Yep. That's the same as that. Let's try A. Okay. Yeah. So we'll just do the other standard deviation dot S. What we're planning on.
And I'm getting all the answers transferred over so you guys can look at my screen. I took screenshots of our answers and then
Ooh,
the quiz
someone-
again.
I did the old-fashioned way. I just wrote it down on my notepad.
There you go. That's for chumps.
What's that?
That's for chumps.
Mine took less work.
Yeah.
I'm so old school. I still use the Stero notebooks. If you guys remember those,
Hey, that works.
Steno.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wrong application. All right, same stuff.
I'm almost done filling this out and then I can show you guys slowly if you want.
Find the mean. It's
Okay.
all the same questions and all the same data.
Yep.
Yep.
So
The answers are going to be the same.
I've got it up on my screen if you guys want to go through it the second time looking at mine.
Okay.
Just tell me when to scroll.
So for the question number 5, should it be 71404?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay.
So question
Does
5.
anyone need the first 2 questions still?
I'm good.
8041, 8552. Yep. Okay. 7144. And the knee suckers. Mean survival time. Median, quattro. And then 519, 1 and 2. 36. Sure. 10, we got 0. Oh, wait. 8.2.
So real quick. So the answer to question 5 is 71404. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. New number. Four. Those tricksters.
Of course.
Yeah.
Then the last one is this cannot be determined, right?
That's correct. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, before I submit this, does anyone need to see any one more time?
I'm good.
I'm good.
Let me just see number 13 again.
Okay.
50145.50.
Yep.
14 was 185. Correct?
Yep.
Yes.
And then we went with, what was it, 715?
Yep. 715, and
Yeah,
then
cannot be
cannot be determined. All right. Well, what do you guys think? Go and
Cross
submit.
them
Dun, dun,
fingers.
dun.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we're good.
I'm doing it.
Cool.
Dun, 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 dun. Nice.
Nice. You guys are awesome.
Yeah. I knew I liked you guys.
Thank you. Yay.
Andrew, you are the
Virtual
man.
live. Yes, you are.
I got lucky.
I don't think it's luck, my brother.
Cool.
All right. Andrew's gonna help me pass this class, man. I'm gonna have to send him a gift card for something, because
There you go. Good
he's
stuff.
We will survive, guys.
Yeah.
Yes, we will.
As long as you don't give birth there.
Yeah.
I know.
The water breaks during a call.
Exactly. That would
Well, if
be
it
good.
counts for anything, I've been having contractions this entire call. So
Nice.
Oh no.
Oh no. Well, it's good, but
Yeah.
you guys just couldn't see me grimacing through the screen share, but trust me, it was there.
Well, hey, Glover, you were clutch as well.
What?
You were very important as well. Thank you for your help.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right,
Cool.
guys.
Yeah.
Another
Okay.
good meeting, and we'll meet Monday the 22nd, 8:00.
All right.
Yep.
Sounds
Yeah.
good.
I'm going to stop the broadcast and send it. All right, guys.
Okay.
Awesome.
Okay.
Thanks,
take
guys.
care.
Good night,
Yeah,
everybody.
Night. Bye-bye.
Thank you, everybody. Bye bye.
Thanks again, Andrew. Mhm.